opening with an anechoic chamber in Tokyo, where the sound level is -9.4 decibels. Here you can hear your own heartbeat and blood flow. Most people can only stand this profound quiet for 45 minutes. Did you know priests train for years to walk without sound? They use straw sandals on gravel, employing a specific angle and weight distribution. This demonstrates this in an empty courtyard, with only the sound of wind between the trees, highlighting the intentional silence. Traditional no theater features actors pausing 30 seconds between lines, where audience coughs become part of the play. In contrast, modern silent karaoke booths allow salarymen to scream stress away in soundproof boxes. 8 million daily passengers on the Tokyo subway, yet trains whisper, announcements whisper. There's a collective agreement to minimize noise. Did you know there's a sound etiquette app scoring your volume? Aokigahara's magnetic rock silence compasses, creating a natural quiet that draws those seeking peace. Speakers now play music to break this silence, a paradox of artificial sound restoring life. A 4-hour tea ceremony, 90% silence, every movement calculated for minimum disruption. Guests must not speak, only approved phrases. Silence here is communication, emptiness is fullness. Zen rock garden. Raked gravel patterns are designed to amplify silence, not decorate space. A monk's wooden clapper breaks the nothingness, defining silence by interrupting it, embodying Japanese philosophy in a single resonant sound.